Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Xbox Cloud Gaming subscription and that you're signed into the correct Microsoft account. Next, make sure your controller is charged and placed into pairing mode. If you prefer, plug it in with a USB cable to begin immediately. Once done, check your device's Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is on and stable, strong network quality matters for low latency. Now move to establishing the actual controller link so the stream reacts to your inputs. You now pair the controller to the device. On PC, open the Xbox Cloud Gaming page or the Xbox app. On mobile, use the Xbox Cloud Gaming app. Then select the controller from the System Bluetooth list or confirm USB connection. The device should report a connected gamepad. Make sure the browser or app has permission to use gamepad input and that any in-app controller settings are enabled. If latency settings exist, choose the lower latency or performance profile. You're ready to launch a cloud title and confirm inputs work. Press buttons, move sticks, and pull triggers to verify responsiveness. If controls aren't recognized, disconnect and reconnect the controller, or switch from Bluetooth to wired USB to isolate the issue. Make sure to restart the app or device, check your network quality, and update controller firmware. These steps often resolve sync problems. If problems persist, try another device to determine whether the controller or the streaming device is the limiting factor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.